tomatoes. I think there'll be peppers. What else is over here? Let's take a look. This is the world's quickest, fresh, local midweek pasta. So instead of making a pasta sauce, we're gonna do just straight up quick pasta with these delicious tomatoes that we just picked. So in a cast iron pan, this part's important, heavy bottom cast iron pan. This can be done stovetop or pop it in that really hot oven. Just pop the greens off. I love the combination of yellow and red. Single layer, that's probably enough. And we're gonna add a couple of glugs of good quality olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, throw in a couple of cloves of garlic, and we're gonna just blister them, cook some fresh pasta, mix it together with some Parmesan, and that's it. This is the most delicious with a little fresh green salad, and this is dinner ready in 10 minutes. So I literally just throw the garlic in, just a clove cut in half if you want, give it a quick smash. You can remove it after. And in terms of pasta, fresh pasta makes a big difference. You can buy it fresh and then freeze it, pull it out and cook it from frozen. This only takes a minute or two in the water. So stovetop, we're gonna just add a little bit of salt and pepper. We've put our favorite oil in there. And you'll see these will blister pretty quickly. I have that on high. You can also make a massive batch of this and keep this and have it in a salad or toss it in anything else you want. These are also delicious in risotto. I have my water at the boil. Always remember to salt your water. Helps bring the flavor out. It does reduce the temperature, so it takes a while to bring the boil back up. And at the end, we're gonna add a little bit of balsamic into the tomatoes. And if you wanted to layer in and add other flavors, you could do pesto. You could add fresh peas, you could add arugula, which I might do, and that's it. So our water is back to a boil. This is, I wish you could feel this. This is like beautiful. This is as good as it gets. Delicious farina pasta, fresh pasta. Another few minutes. As soon as the skins start to break, and they start to soften. This is ready. I can tell by feeling it, and I can tell by looking at it. Yep, that's ready. Those two are looking good. So you can reserve some of the pasta water if you were making a sauce, just to create the right consistency. But for this simple pasta, we don't need it. So those tomatoes, so beautiful. Just a few minutes. We'll discard the garlic. It brought us flavor and it served its purpose. So now really simply, our fresh pasta, serving for 2, generous serving. I kind of like doing it in a family-sized bowl. It's just a little bit more casual that way. And then we're just going to toss in all the juices and the goodness from these tomatoes. It's so simple. We talk about 5-dish meals. This is more like a 3-ingredient meal. Pepper. Fresh grated parm, which will be absorbed. All the oils from the tomatoes are going to be absorbed in there. A little bit of arugula if you want it. This is also great cold as a pasta salad. Not necessary, but kind of fun. Dinner served. Hi, this is Trish Magwood. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for recipe ideas, food inspiration, and simple home tips.
Also, go to Trish Magwood on Instagram for food and lifestyle ideas and inspiration, or check out trishmagwood.ca.